Hi, my name is Michelle Floyd, and thank you for purchasing one or perhaps all of my pitch trackers. My hope is that they are a useful tool for your pitcher to understand how to set up hitters and use location data in the future. There are 3 different versions of the pitch tracker, the first being the pitch location tracker that focuses only on pitch locations. This is a great tool for tracking the location sequence of how you throw to hitters, as well as when watching games and making a scouting report. The next is the pitch location/stats tracker. This uses the same location tracker, but is optimized to track the results on the field, match up pitches with the calling wristband, and follow stats. The last tracker is a scorebook style location and results tracker. This is focused for in the game to be used as a scorebook and quick reference of where the pitches have been thrown and the result. Let's go over how to use these trackers, and I'm going to use some of the game footage of me pitching back in the Pan American Championships with Team Venezuela. We'll start on how to use the main location tracker for the first hitter. And note that this is the location tracker that is used in all of the sheets. I look at the box as if I am facing a hitter like in the video, and I will mark this pitch outside with a 1 and a dot behind it for a ball. The second pitch, I will mark inside with a 2 and a slash behind it because it was a called strike. Pitch number 3 was also a ball outside. The fourth pitch will be marked with a 4F on the inside location. Pitch number 5 is also a ball, and I will mark it outside the location box because it was outside the zone. And I will mark the spot for pitch number 6 and then write the result as 3U or 3 unassisted for the out. Depending on the tracker used, you can add more detail. We will use the stat tracker for this at bat. Now please note, my team does not use a wristband or a card, so I will be putting in fake numbers. This tracker is also designed for a printout or copy of whichever band you use to be stapled or attached to the printout. The first hitter is a pitch outside to the lefty, so I'll put a fake card number here, hit the hit spot as I hit my spot, a 1 slash for a called strike, and I can go back later and match up the pitch with the card. But this would have been a backdoor curve, so BC. Then, I'll put a circle around number 2 for the swing and a miss on the inside drop. I'll put the card number, the H because it hit its spot, and a D for drop. For 3, I'll put a number and dot outside the boxes. I also put this as an H because I did not want to throw this pitch in the strike zone in a 2-0 count, but instead off the plate trying to make her chase. And then for this pitch, a drop ball inside, I'll put a 4 with a circle around it. I'll then put a K over the little field. The rest of the card should be filled in accordingly. And after the game, I'll take all of the stats and fill in the pitching stats accordingly. The last batter, we will use the pitch location score sheet. Now that we have a right-handed hitter, make sure that you don't flip the view of the tracker. We want to make sure it's always a view of the strike zone from the pitcher. The first pitch is outside and a ball, so I will mark this with a 1 with the dot. 2 will be marked on the inside and also a ball with the dot. 3 is over the plate and a called strike. 4 is a ball inside. 5 is a swing, and I will mark this spot on the tracker. And write 6-3 on the field to the right. I will also draw a line to where it went for a quick reference. All of these trackers have room to mark if the hitter is right or left-handed. You can also draw a stick figure for a quick visual. I also recommend speaking with your pitcher and adding any hitter's notes because most of the time, you will face these hitters besides more than just this one game, and having a record of how you threw them will be beneficial. For any questions or comments, please leave a comment below or reach out to me on one of my socials at mfloydsoftball. Thank you!